Exercise number 11. Find the roots of a quadratic equation using Python function. Use Python Math module to calculate. Round off results to 2 decimal points. Import Python built-in module, Math. You don't need to install it. Let's define a function as quadratic_eq. You may use any name for your function. Our defined function will get input from the users for the values of a, b and c of the quadratic equation. We shall use it in the quadratic formula to calculate roots. As shown is the quadratic formula used to calculate the roots of the quadratic equation. I have transformed the formula using Python arithmetic operators. The math module square root function will calculate the square root of the formula. Use round function to round off the results to 2 decimal place. Next, print command will print both roots of the equation. We need to call the function we have just defined. Just write the function with brackets and run the code. Enter values for a, b and c and you will get the values of root 1 and 2. So simple. Just use this function and solve quadratic equation within seconds.